Here's my quick and dirty fix for repairing the broken windshield wiper transmission bushing on a 2004 Pontiac Sunfire. You can see the arm was just hanging there in that picture. Here I take it out and I flip it over, and you can see where the bushing broke off. There's a little bit of a hole there, so I put the arm on and placed it there upside down. I was able to then use a drill and a 1/4 tap, drill the hole down maybe 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, found a spare bolt, used a couple of washers and a lock washer, and sealed it all up together. Now it's not perfect and it's not smooth. A little bit of rattling might go on, but it's not bad. I expect that it will outlast the life of this car.